Tataba ba ako pag lagi akong kumakain 9 PM onward? Madalas kung ikaw ay nag-breakfast, lunch, dinner na and meron ka pang additional na meal after 9 PM or nagmi-midnight snack ka, that's already added calories that yes, may lead to weight gain and of course, belly fat. Studies also show na eating late at night can lead to acid reflux and also high risk of high blood pressure and diabetes. Also, studies show na there is an increase of gastric acid secretion after you lie down for bed, no? And that's going to cause more irritation sa iyong esophagus that will lead to heartburn and discomfort. So, kung nararamdaman mo itong mga to and hindi mo alam kung ano yung trigger, check kung anong oras ka ba kumakain. Lagi ka bang nagmi-midnight snack? No? So, i-atras mo lang. No? Last meal should be 7 p.m. and towards 10 o'clock, dapat nagre-relax na yung body, hindi na kumakain. Maganda is between 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. tayo ay tulog na. So, if ang plan is 10 p.m. tulog na tayo, 2 hours before that, wala na dapat tayong kinakain. Are you looking for a wellness coach that will guide you proper weight management para mag-inch loss pero hindi tayo nagpapagutom and makakatulong sa iyo to create healthy habit? DM me for free consultation.